If there's one tool that everybody needs, it's a hammer, and here are some of the most common hammers available. Claw hammer, pin hammer, ball peen hammer, scutch hammers, club hammers, sledge hammers, mallets, and dead blow hammers. The first thing to look at when selecting your hammer is the head and their uses. These claw hammers are some of the most commonly used carpentry hammers. These typically have a round head for knocking in nails, and the claw for easily removing them. They come in many variations, and choosing the right one for you comes down to the size of the job at hand and personal preference. A smaller hammer for small finishing jobs, and a larger one for bigger jobs. A pin hammer is a great little tool for very fine work in confined spaces, like window framing. They are small, lightweight, and accurate. Next are the ball peen hammers, also available in different sizes and weights for various jobs. These hammers have a flat-faced head for knocking in nails or bending soft metals, and a ball head on the back, mainly for metal work like peening and rounding metals. When it comes to masonry work, a very popular choice is the Scutch Hammer. These hammers are used for chipping walls, cracking bricks, removing materials, and hammering in the odd nail. They usually have a square head with a long chisel shaft section, and some also come with replacement tips. Then we have our club hammers, which are available in different weights. They are mostly used in conjunction with a brick bolster for chipping and cutting masonry, light demolition work, or with the cold chisel for cutting sheet metal and rivets. But if you really want to make a dent in demolition work, a sledgehammer like this one is definitely the way to go. These have big heavy steel heads with a long shaft and allow you to transfer a lot of energy into the materials you're hitting. And finally, we have our mallets and dead blow hammers. These options are great for moving and setting materials without damaging or denting the surface. These wooden mallets are great for woodworking and chiseling. Rubber mallets are perfect for jobs like tiling, laying bricks, or moving objects into position, with the black mallets being stronger and slightly heavier, and the white leaving no marks on surfaces. Dead blow hammers are very similar to a rubber mallet, except that it's filled with sand or shot. This makes them heavier and stops any recoil, giving you a good, solid hit. Now the next thing to look at is the neck. Either wood or plastic coated fiberglass for lighter work or reduced vibration, or steel for more heavy duty work with better resistance to abuse. And lastly is the handle. Some have rubber coated handles, full rubber handles, foam, and even these ergonomic handles for less vibration. I personally like a wooden handle on these smaller hammers when you need extra control and feel, and these nice rubber handles on a steel shaft for larger jobs where I don't have to worry about damaging the hammer. With such a wide range to choose from, there is definitely a hammer for any job. Now these are just some of the options available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.